Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Dhesi and today I'm doing clean girl look makeup without using any foundation. So guys, I'll show you step by step. So without delay time, let's begin. So first I'm going to start with my skin care to keep my skin hydrating and get clean glowing skin. So apply face oil from Kiko Melano Holiday Favel 24 Hours Rosy Glow. Then apply whole face and neck. This is for the dry skin. If you got oily skin, please skip this oil. Next, apply moisturizing from Olay Complete Lightweight Day Lotion Normal to Oily Skin SPF 15. Then apply eye serum from Clinique All About Eyes Roll On to keep eyes hydrating, help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Next, apply Tint in Balm from YSL Yes Saint Laurent to keep lip plump and smooth. So I done my skin care, so I'm going to leave my skin about 4 to 5 minutes to absorb all products on my skin. So today I'm not applying any foundation. This makeup will be look clean, natural and real glow skin look. So I'm using from L'Oreal Magic Cream BB Cream 521 24 hours transferring skin perfected tint with vitamin complex B5 plus E. This is very lightweight and gives your skin very natural and clean look. So I'm applying from my finger and I will blend out with beauty sponge. So guys, you can see this is very lightweight. It's not fully covered. Next, apply concealer from Maybelline Fit Me 30 shade and very less amount, and I'm going to apply under eyes and cover any dark circles and around the face, cover any uneven skin tone. After apply the concealer, leave the concealer about few minutes and apply the cream contour in the cheek, forehead and jawline to give some sun-kissed effects and blend out with a beauty sponge. Next, blend out concealer using beauty sponge for the blending. Next, do eyebrow. For eyebrow, I'm using pomade from Silk. And first comb the eyebrow upward and fill the sparse area and keep the eyebrow clean and natural look. Same concealer apply in the eyelid and blend out properly and let the concealer dry few minutes before apply the translucent powder. Then apply the loose translucent powder under eyes, eyelid to set the concealer and apply in the T-zone around the mouth area, especially where normally start the sweating, but not too much, otherwise too powdery. If you got dry skin, your skin will become more dry. For the eye makeup today, I'm just using bronzer as an eyeshadow, and this will give you natural nude and sun-kissed effects eye makeup. Then I'm going to apply in the whole eyelid. Next, apply the eye pencil and apply same bronzer in the lower eyelashes and smoke out. Then apply mascara and same bronzer apply in the cheekbone, especially where the sun hit. Next, apply liquid blush, very less amount, and blend out with my finger. You can use brush for blending as well. Then apply nude color of the lipstick and lip gloss. So guys, this is my final look, clean girl makeup. This makeup you can do in daily basis. It's look natural, clean, not very heavy. Your skin look like a skin, so it's very easy to do this makeup. Only takes 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share the video. It helps to build up my channel. So see you soon. I love you guys. Bye.